This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All emergency alert system participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS operating handbook for a global level emergency. The United States President or one of his representatives will shortly bring a message over the EAS. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
Please stand by. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and info to the public assigned areas. This is Suddenlink. We will continue to serve the Huntington area. If you are not in this local area, tune in your cable assistant providing news and info for your area. You are listening to the EAS serving the Huntington area. Do not use the phone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergencies only.
The following message was transmitted by the United States government and NASA. I regret to say this on St. Patrick's Day, but our world is ending. Uranus is colliding with our planet. Once we collide, volcanoes will erupt, including the Yellowstone volcano. Earthquakes will form, and the stink will form, and it will block the sun for 12 years. So gather with your friends, family, pets, kids, parents and grandparents and prepare for the end. And there is nothing we could do to stop this from happening. Canadians, Mexicans, Germans, Ching-Chongs, Italians, and Russians, thank you for serving your countries. But this is the end. Now we will sign off with us playing our national anthem for the final time. May God help us all.